Hello everybody, this is Dave with Dave's Acrylic Pouring. I'm going to do a Dutch pour today, and I just felt like a Liquitex today. I don't know why, it just did. The last couple paintings I've done in Master's Touch. Today we're going with the Brilliant Blue, Fluorescent Pink, Lime Green, Dioxazine Purple, and the Quinacridone Magenta and Copper. Now to these three colors right here, I also have added my Liquitex Iridescent Medium, so we get that nice shimmer on there. All right, we have got Artist Loft White for my base. This is going to be a Dutch pour, so that's what we're going to do. All right, I'm going to bring you down here so you can see what how we're going to do this. Alright, now this is a 16 by 20 canvas. This over, and we are going to pour our base down. And we're going to spread this around all the way to the edges. Now this thing that I have here, this is a fondant smoother for baking. You can get this at any baker shop, or Hobby Lobby has them. Alright, now once we've got the entire surface of this covered, we are going to use the edge of it to get the sides, because we want the canvas on all 6 sides here, or not 6, all 5 sides, excuse me, 4 sides and the top, to be completely covered. Alright. Now, smooth that out a little bit more. Side. All right, now if you can see, we have some air bubbles here, so we are going to be popping those with a torch. So let me get my torch here, and just wave it back and forth, and it pops those bubbles for you. Now this is paint mixed with Floetrol, Elmer's glue wall, and water. Is all this basically is. It is Artist Loft white paint. All right. Dropped an eyelash. All right. So, like I said, this is a Dutch pour. So we are going to be using a hair dryer to blow this out. Make sure it works. Alright, we're good. Alright, set that down for a second. Now let's get some color in here. Alright. Start off with a little bit of this Dioxazine Purple. It does not take a whole lot of paint. I've got more mixed up here because I'm actually going to be using it for another project also. But I wanted to do Dutch pour first, so there you have it. just basically doing really thin lines, and it doesn't matter the pattern, just kind of getting it on there in kind of a thin line. Right? And definitely watch your drip, so you don't want to drip out in the open in your negative space. See, already it's quite colorful. Start from the other side. Alright, and I do have a little bit of copper here that I want to mix in with this. Okay, a lot over there for some reason. I just wanted to come out a little faster. Let me give it a little more purple. A little more of this lime green. Alright. How about a little bit more of this blue? Why not? Okay, that is enough paint. So now, all we are going to do is we are going to take the blow dryer and put it on your cool setting, because you do not want to have heat put into it, because it will start to dry your paint out. So set it on cool. I'm going to get my straw and do a little bit more on the a little bit on there. Cover that up. What I'm trying to do is break up these solid edges like that. And you can see all of the cells that it creates. Looks pretty cool. I did add a little bit of silicone to a couple of the colors, which is why I'm getting so many cells here for a Dutch pour. We're just going through and popping any more bubbles that may have gotten on there. see any solid colors in here, I'm trying to mix that up a little bit. Alright, let's bring you down for a closer look. You see I got a crazy amount of cells in here for a Dutch pour. This is unbelievable for the amount of cells that popped out in this thing. It's like it's almost like a cell explosion Dutch pour. That's what I think I'm going to call it. All right, coming back up. Okay, a little more. So that's been a Dutch pour with a little bit of silicone in it to create a lot of cells. And I think this turned out pretty cool. As it dries, of course, some of these paints are going to set a little bit more, so they're going to be, the colors are going to be a little more vivid as they settle into their respectable places. All right, this has been fun. This has been interesting, and I'm glad that you guys stopped by and watched this. But remember, gotta hit that subscription button and throw me a like. I'll keep making these videos out there and put them out there for everybody to see and for everybody to learn these techniques. Thanks very much for watching. Pour on.